Welcome everyone to today's Gnosis Core Dev call. Today it's ECC week, so we have some absences. And I'll be taking the call as Philip has unstable connection. So yeah, let's get started. Any updates from Shatter?
Hi, everyone. So on the Shatter side, we deployed the fix for validator registration, and we're waiting on keepers to update. And we also worked on a DApp node package release with the same fix and some improvements, and we're waiting on that to be published by the DApp node team, and we planning next releases that will have some improved keeper metrics.
Thank you. Any updates from testing?
Hi. We had some progress with Gnosis plugin for EST. I have added a way to generate some environment for T8N, but we still need to fix our T8N Gnosis implementation because our test failed due to hash mismatch. Also, we have started to clean up Genesis and remove constructor contracts, and others from our team will do it. That's it from our side.
Awesome, thank you. Yeah, I want to add. I was chatting with Mario Vega, and he says that we maybe not need to fork EST at all, but yeah, we can continue taking that.
Yeah, actually, my implementation do not assume fork, so I have created like PyTest plugin for Gnosis, and we can just add it to main EST repository instead of fork.
Nice, that's awesome. Cool. Client updates. Nethermind.
Well, I think that there is no more people from the team, but basically we released last week 1.32.0, which had a couple of issues on the building side and end up in 1.32.2, which includes a lot of performance upgrades on the client and things not related to forks. So, well, that's mostly the progress on our end. And to finish up with my side as well, and I think that that will be between testing and Fusaka, is that I have been working on the DevNet 2, from migrating DevNet 2 from Ethereum to Gnosis. I have been having a couple of issues with Genesis, but I am fixing them with Alexi from our team, and should be running pretty soon. So I will be sharing the results on the channel, not the results, but like the general information of the network, so we can start testing on the Fusaka EIPs and so on.
Cool, thank you. Any update from Erigon?
Yes, so we've been working on the no logs issue. So a team member has released the snapshots, and I need to check with him, like, to pick up the fix. Do you need a complete resync, or how do you actually pick up the fix? I'll check and I'll comment, but that's in progress or fixed. And maybe Som has something to add.
No, nothing from me.
Thank you. I think Guillaume is not in the call. Right, yeah. So no present. Any updates from Red?
Nothing much. Currently upgrading to 1.5, the new upstream release.
Thank you. Okay, updates on Fusaka DevNet.
Well, basically, what I share about that we are having some issues on the Genesis generation, and we are pinpointing with Alexi. And well, as soon as we fix the issues, we will share the config and so on the channel, so everyone can test it out.
Okay. So we are missing a bunch of people, but at least from your point of view, Marcos, do you have any reservation on removing constructors from the Genesis?
What do you mean removing constructor?
So currently,
Yeah.
both in Chiado and DevNet Genesis, for
Right.
Gnosis, we use constructors to generate specifically the set of PostDAO contracts. So that's
Okay.
technically not necessary. We can render those outputs and just add the resulting storage slots and code, and it will have the same effect. That's what Red is doing for the Genesis in Chiado with success. So we could do the same for DevNets, and then we don't have to worry about constructors anymore.
Okay, Marek is here, and I think that he has more knowledge on that. Will you be able to chime in, Marek?
Yeah, I think just give some time to Anders because he jumped into it recently, and I hope that he will be able to progress on that. And Dimitra, if you can make sure to pass the context to Anders, and yeah, we will see.
We
Yeah,
had
go
a
ahead.
call with him, so I explained everything. He will do it.
All right. Just you can tell him that this is important, high priority, and that Marek told that.
Okay. I don't think there's any updates on research. I think we have anyone here. So I'll just let the floor open for any other comments for research, testing, or miscellaneous. Cool. Then thank you so much for attending this week. Enjoy.
Thank you.
And see you next time.
Thank you. Bye.
Bye.
Thank you, bye.